Do you know you can actually embroider using your foot control? Now, this is not normally the way we do it. Most of the time we just push and hold the button and away it goes. And you can kind of walk away and do other things. But you can actually use the foot control for a couple things. Number one, if you just need to slowly stitch something or get right up to an area, maybe you're holding something in place, which yes, you should use some tape and not keep your hands in there. But then you can just step on it slowly. You can adjust the speed here, so then it's, here it is, really, really slow. That's all the way pushed down, the fastest it will go. So really just, enough so if you want to take a couple stitches and then take a couple stitches more. Now here's an ingenious reason to use a foot control, or have it plugged in and have it close by. So sometimes when I'm embroidering, I might also be working on the computer and the machine is running. Okay, so we'll get it running just like normal. And the phone rings. And all you have to do, instead of reaching all the way over and touching this button, if you step on the foot control or squeeze it like I just did, it stops the machine. So I've been known to even have a foot control closer next to me, and then that's like a quick stop button, and the embroidery would stop, I could answer the phone, and then when I'm ready to come back here, touch the true on button, and then away it'll go. So if you need a quick stop, set that on the table, someplace where you can reach it, and then you can just give it a quick stop, and the machine will stop and wait for you until you're ready to start it up again.